Hey everyone, the Anbernic RG DS marks a bold new step for the company, combining its proven retro gaming expertise with a dual-screen design reminiscent of the Nintendo DS era. Officially available for pre-order, this handheld targets those who want an authentic dual-screen emulation experience, while also functioning as a capable Android gaming device. From the moment you see it, the RGDS stands out thanks to its two touch-enabled 4-inch displays, each offering a resolution of 640 by 480. This setup instantly recalls the classic Nintendo DS layout, with the lower screen acting as the touchscreen interface. Unlike single-screen retro handhelds that rely on emulation overlays, the RGDS offers a far more natural way to play DS titles, accurately replicating the experience of the original console. The dual-screen configuration also opens up interesting possibilities for Android gaming, multitasking, and even retro emulation for other systems that can benefit from a split display. Powering the RGDS is the reliable Rockchip RK356-8 processor, a quad-core chip that has proven itself in other Anbernic devices for handling classic and even some modern emulation workloads with ease. Paired with 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of built-in storage, the device offers smooth performance for most Android-based applications and emulators. Storage can, of course, be expanded with external cards, although some versions come without a memory card by default. The system runs Android 14 out of the box, giving users access to the latest Android features, app compatibility, and performance optimizations. This opens up a world of flexibility, from installing custom emulators to using streaming apps for platforms like Xbox Cloud Gaming or Steam Link. The 4,000 mAh battery promises a decent amount of playtime, suitable for extended sessions on the go. Despite having 2 screens, Anbernic has managed to keep the overall device fairly portable, weighing just 321 grams and measuring 16 by 9.1 by 2.15 centimeters. That makes it compact enough to carry easily while still providing a comfortable grip. In terms of controls, the RGDS includes the full complement of gaming inputs: dual analog sticks, a D-pad, face buttons, and shoulder triggers, all arranged for ergonomic access. The inclusion of a vibration motor adds another layer of tactile immersion, something often missing from other retro handhelds in this category. Connectivity options are also well-rounded, with dual-band Wi-Fi support ensuring fast downloads, smooth streaming, and quick access to online features. Whether for downloading game files, syncing cloud saves, or playing Android multiplayer titles, connectivity won't be a concern. Visually, the RGDS stays true to Anbernic's design language with clean lines and a premium finish. It's offered in several color variants, allowing users to pick one that best fits their style. The device starts at $94 for the base version without a memory card, with shipping scheduled to begin on December 15th. Buyers should keep in mind potential import fees depending on their region. Overall, the Anbernic RGDS is shaping up to be one of the most intriguing handhelds the company has released in years. It bridges the gap between nostalgia and modern functionality, a handheld that feels familiar yet refreshingly new. With its dual-screen setup, Android 14 operating system, and solid hardware foundation, the RGDS is not just a tribute to the Nintendo DS, but also a versatile emulation and gaming platform in its own right. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.